What if the financial system you trust is secretly designed to keep you stuck? You were told to work hard, save money, and rely on banks, but while you follow those rules, the rich play a completely different game. They don't just earn money, they multiply it. And the truth is, banks won't teach you this. In this video, we're exposing how the wealthy really build unstoppable income, and once you understand it, your mindset about money will never be the same again. 5. Saving money alone is a losing strategy. Let's start with something that might sound shocking. Saving money alone will never make you rich. Yes, saving is important for stability and emergencies, but it's not a wealth-building strategy. The reason is simple: inflation. Every year, the value of money decreases while the cost of living increases. That means the money sitting in your bank is quietly losing power. The rich understand this deeply. Instead of letting money sit idle, they put it into motion. They move their money into investments that grow over time. For them, money is not something to protect, it's something to multiply. Saving is defensive, investing is offensive, and the wealthy always play offense. 4. They focus on assets that generate cash flow. The middle class focuses on earning income. The rich focus on building assets. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket regularly. This could be a rental property generating monthly income, a business producing profits, stocks paying dividends, or even digital products making sales automatically. Here's the key difference. Income requires your time, but assets can generate money without your constant involvement. The wealthy spend their time building or acquiring assets. Over time, these assets stack up and create a system where money flows in continuously. Eventually, they reach a point where their assets earn more than their expenses, and that's when true financial freedom begins. 3. They use leverage to multiply wealth. Leverage is one of the most misunderstood concepts in money, and one of the most powerful. Most people are taught that debt is bad, but the rich know that smart debt is a tool. Instead of using their own money for everything, they use other people's money, banks, investors, or partnerships to fund opportunities. For example, they might invest in real estate using a loan, rent out the property, and let the rental income cover the loan payments. This allows them to control large assets with relatively small amounts of their own money. Over time, they benefit from appreciation, cash flow, and ownership, all while using leverage. This is how the rich scale faster than the average person ever could. 2. They master the tax game. This is something banks and schools rarely explain clearly. The wealthy don't just focus on making money, they focus on keeping it. Most people earn income, get taxed heavily, and then spend what's left. But the rich structure their income differently. They often earn through businesses or investments, which allows them to legally reduce their tax burden. They write off expenses, reinvest profits, and use financial strategies that minimize taxes. So while it may seem like they earn more, the real advantage is that they lose less. Understanding taxes isn't just for accountants, it's a powerful wealth-building skill. 1. They build multiple streams of income. This is the ultimate strategy that separates the rich from everyone else. Relying on one source of income is risky. If that one stream stops, everything falls apart. The wealthy eliminate this risk by creating multiple income streams. These can include real estate income, stock dividends, online businesses, royalties, consulting, partnerships, and more. Each stream may start small, but together they create a powerful financial ecosystem. This not only increases income, but also provides stability, freedom, and scalability. Over time, these streams grow and compound, turning small efforts into massive wealth. If this changed the way you see money, then you're already one step ahead. But knowledge without action means nothing. If you're serious about building real wealth and escaping the system most people are trapped in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. More powerful strategies are coming your way. Start now, stay consistent, and remember, the sooner you learn the rules, the faster you start winning.